Have you ever pondered the potential of making money with affiliate marketing? A tantalizing yet often elusive concept, isn't it? Well, today we're going to peel back the layers of this fascinating world and provide a step-by-step guide to get you started. Firstly, it's important to understand what affiliate marketing is. Simply put, it's a method where you promote products or services from other companies and earn a commission every time a sale is made through your referral. It's a win-win situation. The company gets more sales and you get a piece of the pie. So how do you start? Step 1. Choose your niche. This is crucial. It should be something you're passionate about, but also something that has a market. You wouldn't want to be stuck promoting products nobody wants, would you? Step 2. Find affiliate programs to join. There are numerous programs out there, but the key is finding one that aligns with your chosen niche. Companies like Amazon and ClickBank offer comprehensive affiliate programs that cater to a wide range of niches. Step 3. Build a platform. This could be a blog, a YouTube channel, a podcast, or even a social media page. The choice is yours. The important thing is to have a platform where you can promote your affiliate products. Step 4. Create quality content. This step is all about providing value. The more valuable your content, the more likely people are to trust your recommendations and click on your affiliate links. Step 5. Build an audience. This isn't something that happens overnight, but with consistency and patience, it's entirely achievable. Use SEO and social media to drive traffic to your platform and gradually build your audience. Step 6. Promote your affiliate products. Now, this doesn't mean spamming your audience with sales pitches. Rather, it's about subtly incorporating your affiliate links into your content in a way that doesn't disrupt the value you're providing. Step 7. Track your success. Most affiliate programs provide analytics so you can see which strategies are working and which ones need tweaking. Use this data to continually improve your approach. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to making money with affiliate marketing. To recap, choose a niche, find an affiliate program, build a platform, create quality content, build an audience, promote your products, and track your success. It's a journey filled with learning and growth, but with the right mindset and strategies, the world of affiliate marketing can be a lucrative one. So why not take the first step today? After all, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Dive into the exhilarating world of affiliate marketing, and who knows where the journey might take you.